Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of YouTube. So, oh god. Okay, today we're gonna be checking out Build a Boat for Treasure again, and we're gonna try to build like a rocket ship because I feel like that's kind of gonna be fun. So let's try to get like a bun. Would a lever be good? Because I know we're gonna need a pilot seat, but like how are we supposed to... Let me test out a little concept here. So, if we have... hold on. So, if we have a normal rocket engine, where is it? Gosh, I can't find it. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. I'm just dumb. Okay. So, we have a normal rocket engine. And then we just put a pilot seat on top of that. Hold on. Where is it? It's a thing here. I always have trouble finding stuff. Alright, we have this. Then we can add like a parachute right here. So I sit on it and I'm uncomfortable the whole journey. Okay. And, launch. Sure. Okay, now this is out of control. Completely. Actually, no, not completely out of control. I can control this sort of. Gets out of fuel. So we landed in that section. That was late, wasn't it? Okay, so yeah. Let's just reset character here. And yeah, so we're going to perfect that. Also, somebody's building a sky elevator or something. So if we can get this working, maybe we can land over there later. Anyway, so we had... Oh, that just fell over. So, pretty much the point in doing this. So if we have like a steel thing here. Hold on. Ooh, that has like no snap on it. Hold on. So we have two and then we... So I just brought it up one. One think is probably okay. So hold on. It's one block. 2 blocks. 3 blocks. 4 blocks. About right. That's 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks, 4 blocks. Okay, now I can do 1 block, 2 block, 3 block. Oh no. Okay, hold on. 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block. Okay. Let's just have a sturdy foundation. It's 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block. And this should be a giant square. Well, great, it's not. Okay, hold on. Is this a giant square? That looks like a giant square. Okay, that's probably fine. Right now, I guess we're just trying to make like a can. Or a box, giant box. Oh, what? Okay. Now we can just... And then we can just scale that up. Like this, or no, like this. And we can just like stretch this way up. So like we can just like stretch this way up. Like I'd say like this high. That's pretty high. We're gonna need to make that thin so that it doesn't, yeah, probably half of that's good. Right now we just build here, right? No, that's way off. We build here. Yeah, that's right, and then we just scale this all the way up. This to the side. Oh god. This to the side, this to this side. Looks like we might need a little... Did I seriously get that perfect? But we are going to need a 0 scale, and then just as flat as it can be. Now we're going to put the scale back on 1. Then we're going to, hold on, build a little bit more. So I'll see you after this short time lapse. And okay guys, so we have made a bad base for this thing. Okay, and I just realized that we need to move it up one more, because we need to put an engine under there.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so rocket is officially moved up. Now all I need to do is just like build one like that, and then just scale that to there. And then we can make this done. Yep, now that is really thin. And then we can have a little nose cone, I guess. And we're gonna use for this nose cone is, what should we use for this nose cone? Hold on. So if we're gonna make this, we should probably just have it like this kind of thing, right? And let me scale that. Shoot, I did it too far. Okay. If you're playing this, I definitely recommend getting the scale tool. Okay, I've screwed up. Hold on. Just be careful about messing up on it, though. Because it is a pretty bad thing to mess up on this. Right now, just like... Yeah, I'd say that is... So if we're just trying to create a giant flying can for the moment, that's pretty good. Right now, we are going to want a parachute in there. So I'll put one on, just because I feel like it. Bam. Then, bam. Okay, now I am going to need a little entrance. So I am going to bring this up a few. So my avatar should be able to fit in there now. So, yeah, okay, my avatar does fit in there. Now, all I need to do is, surprise, adds like 50 more parachutes on here. Yeah. Okay, we're out. Alright, I'm just gonna make a giant stack of them. Because that actually looks, like, cool. Alright, now we are going to finish this doorway so that we have a thing here. bam. You can just, that's probably fine. Done. That went too far up. Okay. And there, we can extend that to like here. Now we just need one of those. Put it right there. Bam. 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 Okay, right on cue, the thing exploded. Hold on. So can we fit through that? Yeah, we can. Alright, that's good. Yeah, so we can fit through that. But that is a little hard to fit through. I'm just gonna make that one. And this one. Alright. Now we have a good base. I'm just gonna select all. Unanchor. Shoot. Okay guys, so we have the thing raised once again. And yeah, that was a real mistake doing that. So what I'm gonna do is we are going to put some parachutes in it again. So hold on. Just find the middle. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Said bam one too many times. Alright, so we have a lever. Some kind of switch up here. That should work. This should activate those. Now, let's add some rocket engines to the bottom. So I actually did not buy anything in this. These are just from an Easter egg, so these could be pretty useful. So if we can somehow, hold on. Okay, I really need to see under this better. Okay, I'm going to need a block to know where I'm placing these. How are we gonna power these? Because, yeah, reasons. Okay, so, oh my goodness. What's going on out there? Hold on, let me see if I can fit through this. Come on, please. I really don't want to, like, a truss segment on here. I think I might have to, though. I need a perfectly timed jump. You know what? Fine. I'm just gonna use logic to do it. Because, big brain always wins. So, yeah. I'm going to make these thin. Because that looks really weird. Okay. Now we're going to need some seats, and we should be ready to go. So hold on here. A few seats. Can have a few extra seats for nobody. And then, hold on, I do want to put on this jetpack. Okay. Yeah, this should be good to go. So, we'll just think about how we're supposed to, get in here. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Right now, we do need to put down one more thing. that is going to be a switch. And the other one was in there, so we're going to want ours here. Now we're going to want to select all. Okay, so, yeah, so let's save this. Save. Yes. Calls it a boat. Now we can unanchor this. And here comes my favorite part. We get to launch this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Guys, it flies. It flies. It flies. Guys, this rocket flies. It flies, guys. This rocket flies. And we can control it as well. Let's try to go down. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Accelerate up, accelerate. Shoot, shoot. How do I? No. No! Alright, now we're going to do a little bit of parachute test. We're just going to load that thing in. And then, yeah. Wait, what? What? I saved that. You saw that. I saved that. Or shoot. Okay, yeah. I attempted to save nothing. Okay, yeah. I accidentally pressed save instead of load. I know. Don't judge, okay? Okay, hold on. Let's try to get in here. Come on. Get in there. Okay, here we go. Oh. Anchored, no. And then launch this. Then we can do a short acceleration. Come on, turn off. Turn off. Hold up. Hold on. This is so hard. Hold on, dude. Dude, this is so hard because it keeps rotating. Now I should be able to do it. But I don't need to click that one anymore. So let's see if the parachutes work. Come on. Please be clickable. We are falling very fast. You can see the map. Please, come on. Click the parachutes. No. Alright guys, well, this is going to be it for this video. And, yeah. See you next time, guys.